Tommy, my baby Tommy. He's not baby anymore, but he's a big lover of tea. And I have to show you, today we are making very special video. We went a few days ago to Greenwood. Can you tell us where we went?
We went to Greenwood and we visited our friend's house.
Yes. And what they have? They have in the garden
Mint.
They have actually many things in the garden, but mint, with beautiful mint, and smells so good. And Thomas love mint tea, right? Mint tea. So I will show you how to make mint tea, but maybe slightly unusual ways that most people make tea, which is means steep tea in the water. I will show you how to make tea and preserve mint. If you have big garden and if you have a lot of mint to preserve for winter or for several months, actually can last, and easy to use. It's always available, right, in the refrigerator, in a jar, so he can make the tea anytime he wants, easy, quick. And Johnny likes iced tea, Thomas likes hot tea, but we all love mint tea. What we have to do?
So first, we kind of sort of just go down like this and try to take the leaves off.
Yes.
Like sort of skin.
Kind of like shape them, right?
Yeah, like shaping them. Like, see, I've got all the leaves.
Oh, you want two? Okay, Matrona is helping too. We got one more helper.
And I'm shot. And not John.
You can help too. You can do. Today is a zoo in my house. Kids working. My husband came back and forth several times. I have painters in my house, paint my house, and same time we're making videos. And this tea, it's great to ferment actually. You can ferment, or you can say put in a fridge in a jar as it is. You can ferment for 3 days, and I do sometimes this way, make bubbles. And as soon as you see the bubbles going on, oh my gosh, it's a zoo here. As soon as you see the bubbles, it's been ready. Move in the refrigerator and use. Tommy, do you remember the name for this mint?
Apple mint?
Apple mint. So it's not peppermint. She had peppermint, apple mint, and some other mint. Different mint. So many different varieties of mint. And I chose this one. In fact, most people like mint. I found in America in the sweets, in sweet application, desserts and peppermint.
And ice cream.
Ice cream, yeah. We published some mint ice cream.
That's my favorite ice cream.
Yes, and I will link below a recipe how to make healthy peppermint ice cream.
All the leaves.
Without color.
See all the leaves?
And very green, right? Was green?
Yes, it was green.
Was green.
I love mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Right? Chocolate chip
Homemade.
ice cream. Oh yes, very good.
Oh yeah, mint chocolate chip ice cream.
But in fact, my personal I love mint in savory dishes. Kind of like Greek people use. So I often add to salad dressing when I stuff cabbage or when I make kaftan. Many other recipes I love, and pair with lamb. We cook lamb quite a bit often too, right? All right, how many will do? Let's do.
Here, let me finish this.
Okay.
It's a lot of mint.
It's a lot of mint. And now this mint tea is so much yummier than from a tea bag, right?
Yeah. Fresh mint.
Fresh mint. Very juicy. You see how much water coming back?
I want to drink that.
You see how much?
Looks like matcha tea for some reason.
Looks like a matcha tea. Mint tea. So that's how I like to keep in a fridge. And every time you want to make tea, what you doing? Can you show us?
So you basically...
How you make your tea? You take a cup.
So I take a cup, then this, and then I...
One spoon. Like
One
half
spoon.
teaspoon. Okay, that's a lot. There will be several cups. Okay.
Okay.
Look how beautiful. It does color like matcha tea, right?
Yeah, it's just like matcha tea, but it's not gonna taste like it.
Yes. Thank you. I can use a little bit more honey. You can add more or less honey, or you can add honey afterwards, or some people don't like honey at all. But just to blend, you need honey, runny honey. And I like to keep this jar in the fridge. And quick, kids can make this perfect mint tea, right?
Yeah.
Or if you're brave enough to ferment, like I do ferment herbs, I would leave in room temperature like that close and check every day. For 3 days, it will start bubbling and then you move in the fridge. And use within 3 months or so, right? Will not last that long. Okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope I inspire you how to make from scratch mint tea and how to preserve your herbs from your garden, right?
Yeah.
Give me a like, subscribe, share with your friend, and see you next time. Bye!
Bye.